I made a faceless YouTube automation channel to prove that it's not going to make as much money as my personal channel. But I monetized it in 5 days. In the first month, since I started uploading videos, it made me $1,000, over $2,000 in the second month. Now this channel made over $9,000 in a few months. At the same time, I made a second channel with the same videos, monetized it in 15 days, and made almost $400 in the first month. In this video, I'll show you my YouTube analytics, how much YouTube pays for 1 million views, my full revenue breakdown, and how you can get the same results or better.
When YouTube first began, people were just happy to be able to post their videos online for free.
Favorite sites online that lets you upload, tag, and share your video with the rest of the world, or just family and friends if you prefer.
Yes, the site's called youtube.com.
But then YouTube started sharing ad revenue with creators and paying creators to promote their products. Suddenly, being a YouTuber was an actual job.